AI agents are no longer a picture in our imaginations. They are here transforming the way we do business at a faster pace, from customer service chatbots to AI-driven decision-making tools. Now, businesses worldwide are integrating AI agents into their operations. Now, in this video, you will see that I built an AI banking agent that responds to customers' inquiries, resolve issues, assist customers in bank transactions, and guess what, she can do so much more with better configuration tailored to what your business needs and what you want to achieve. So I used the newly launched Jotform AI Agent to do this project, and guess what, it is very beautiful to see what Jotform AI Agent can actually do. With Jotform AI Agent, you can build so many types of AI agents that you want for your business. As a business, there are so many job descriptions that your AI agent can fit in virtually, and this will go a long way to improve your business more than you have ever imagined when done properly. So guys, whether you own a business in the human resources and management industry, the marketing and sales, finance, food and beverage, hospitality and tourism, skincare and beauty, consultancy, creative, health, and so many other types of business in different industry, right? This AI agent can actually or will definitely improve your business. There are so many benefits in using AI agents. Some of them are personalized customer service. You see, these AI agents will interact with you like you're talking to a normal human being. Secondly, they are always available 24/7. Then they are efficient in the sense that whether your customer base are 100, 1000 or even more, AI agents can handle this. Then they are faster in response, like they are very fast. And the best thing, the main reason why people are even investing in this thing is because AI agents are cost effective. With AI agents, you do not need to employ a large team, and that is why more people are going to invest in this thing, because it will lower the operational costs. Then another thing about these AIs is that it also provides some extra services, like provide multilingual options. If you're a business owner that have international clients that do not understand English, for instance, AI agents can also be customized to respond to them in their various languages. In fact, there are so many benefits. I'm so super excited that Jotform decided to launch this thing. So guys, that is it for this video. I'll be bringing more projects as I keep building. Thank you for watching.